Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. Wow, what a morning this morning. PPI, which is Producer Price Index, came in 0.2%. Softer inflation, always good, and of course Walmart earnings did very, very nicely. Let's get straight into it. This is my actual portfolio, my real money. We're up $2,000 today, 4.94, 48,636. Let's get straight into it and welcome everybody. Thank you everyone for tuning in for the Walmart earnings, and thank you very much for being here now for the live show. Let's get ready to go. We've got just 10 minutes before the bell goes and we see how the markets react to Walmart. I said Walmart was an indicator of where the markets are going. Still facing issues. Remember, bad news is good news. Even though the stock price is up, it's good to see a little bit of headwind there for them. That's what we want. Inflation coming down though overall, so things looking good. What do you think the CPI will be next month? Very exciting about that. Let's go through our position this morning. Welcome all our guests in on TikTok. Thank you all of you for being here this morning. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Big day ahead. There's always a big day ahead, right? Okay, we're up 4.91 at the moment. The S&P 500 is up 3% overall, 1.59 now. Very, very nice indeed. Virgin Galactic, I'm up 13.76%, $1,400. Getting to the point when I'm thinking I take some profits, trim off the top. It's getting very large now in my portfolio. Like they said on Apollo 13, the Earth is getting very big in the window. All right, my portfolio of S&P Virgin Galactic is getting very big in the window. Virgin Orbit's flat right now. Tesla is up today. What a rally back from Tesla. I've been buying the dips. I'm still down 14%. Could buy more, but I'm not. It is a fantastic price, but I've got a big stake in Tesla for me, 8.87. And this can easily become 15%. This can easily become 15%. So I don't want to buy any more, even though I'm down 15%. If I wanted to buy any more, I would have bought it when it went down to 180. I was in at 180 buying shares, but I only bought one at that price to add. I've got another one at 170 should we get a flash crash, but it's all about resisting buying, not having FOMO, not just keep buying, keep your portfolio, protected. Rivian is up 2.91, 27%. I did increase that on earnings, as you know. Lucid, I also added to that position. Down 11%, we're up 3.77 today. Arrival is up 3% today. The whole market has reacted positively. Amazon is up 4% today. I'm still down 7%, same thing. Should I buy more? It's a fantastic company. It's a company in the future. But that 6.93 loss will be wiped out very, very quickly, and we'll see great gains. I don't need to buy any more. I'm only looking to buy it if it goes down. And I've got orders placed for all my top stocks, including Apple, which is up 2.7. I've not made any money on Apple yet. I'm still 0.6 out of the money. There we go. But today, just $6 to go and I'll be in the money. Robinhood has had a bounce today, 3.56. Still out of the money on Robinhood, but I've added to my position. McDonald's is up 0.5%. I'm up nearly 13% now on McDonald's. There you go. Coca-Cola, I'm up 3.43. 0.82 today. J&J is up 0.87. Looking very nice indeed. Let's carry on going. Google, I'm just about to make money. I'm $42 out of the money. I've never made money on Google either. So are we about to make some money on Google? Well, we shall see very, very soon. On Google is now up 0.79. Up 2.71, just 0.79 out of the money. Coming on to some very big news in a moment. Microsoft, I'm making money for the first time. I've been making money now for about two days, I think. Up today, 2.29. I'm up 5.79 overall. But here it is. Here is the big news of the day. I am making money. I am up with Meta. Was down 85%. I am now up 0.64, which there you go is $40.84, up 1.87. There we go. I am very happy to trim at any point. Not just yet. Let's get to 130, 140, and let's trim some at 6.4% of my portfolio. I'm not the biggest Facebook Meta fan in the world, but we've got the dip. We bought it. It's going up. We're up 0.72. Very, very nice indeed. Did you buy the dip? Very, very, very happy to own that right now. Let's see what happens. Let's see where it goes. Meta is up. Okay, SoFi is up 4.61. I'm up 3.55. Same here, buying the dips, and now most of my stocks are all in the green, says Shad. Great. So don't get too trigger happy though. I mean, for me anyway. I mean, I didn't buy Meta to make 1%. Meta is down, in my opinion, 85%. Well, not my opinion, it's a fact. It went down 85%. This is not something to, I've got 1% profit. Of course you can, if you don't believe in the stock, but then why did you buy it? Do you buy a stock to make 1%? Well, maybe you do. I don't. I am looking to make 100% on my stocks. These are my aims. These are why I buy stocks. Otherwise, if I want 1%, I just stick my money in a high interest bank account, wouldn't I? And have no risk. What's the point? So anyway, for me, and I'm not buying if it goes down today. It's got to go down to my all-time low. My all-time low is 87. 87 is my next buy-in price. 87. My last buy-in price was 88. So I'm not going to buy it until it goes to 87. Maybe it will, maybe it won't. Anyway, depends if you invest or day trade. Absolutely. Of course, depends if you invest or day trade. I think should do a bit of both, but at the same time, keep an open mind. How was your IonQ earnings? IonQ missed on earnings. Love the forward projections though. Missed on earnings because it's spending money. Yep, there it is. Expected 10 cents a share loss. It made 12 cents a share loss. There you go. Slightly down. Slightly down. Quite a lot down. It's spending a lot of money on quantum computers. It is the leader, and it's done a deal with Dell. This is the future of quantum computers. IonQ is the leader. It has the market share. So I bought some more. I had a very small position. I did buy some more. You can see I bought, let's have a little look. Actually, did I buy any more? No, I didn't buy any more. June 7th. No, I didn't. That was September 7th. No, I've got an order placed, though, because it missed at $5. Yeah. $5 I've got the order placed. It's going up today. I'm on it, but I'm just waiting to see if it dips back down. I've got enough because it's a stock that could be $50, $100 a share in like 5 years' time. So I don't need lots of risk involved here. Walmart is taking a bit of a drop. It went up 4.92. I didn't chase that. I'm already in. I've got buy. In fact, I haven't got a buy order for this one. I've got enough of it. Target earnings tomorrow. If you join me, Target earnings tomorrow. We will be covering it. It's in the morning, in fact, 24 hours from now. Ford, Churchy's asked me to look at Ford. We got 3 minutes to go before the bell. Tesco is up. Look, I'm 16 bucks to go to make money for the first time with Tesco. Canoe, I bought some more Canoe, and that's up today, 2.2. I think I bought some more. Yeah. I did. Yes, I did. I bought 100 shares at $1.44. So that's very good. Lowered my averages. I've got another buy order at like 120, and we're up today. So that's nice. Okay, Tilray is up 3%. Enphase Energy's up 3.77. BSV is down. Up slightly, and so is Bitcoin at 1.7. I'm out of the money by 7%, and Ethereum finally at 2%. Churchy's asked me to do look at Ford, so I'll bring Ford in for you. Just please bear with me. We've got a minute and a half to go, so we're just about to come up to the time. If you've just tuned in, subscribe, ring the bell, smash the like. Right, we got a minute to go, and we want to get 30 likes in 1 minute. As I'm about to share with you, Ford, as requested by Churchy, one of our members. You can have it. You can have a stock featured if you are a member of our channel. Up 1.92. I'm down 1% at the moment. Got a very small position. There it is. All right. Okay. Here we go. Down to a minute. Smash the like button. We need 30 likes in 1 minute. 30 likes if you want this channel to grow and help us. Please do smash the like button. Here we go. Are you ready? 16 likes, 17 likes, 18 likes, 19 likes. We need 30 likes in just 40 seconds. Let's get ready for the bell. Smash the like. Please help us grow here. If you smash the like button, YouTube will share to more people. We'll get more in. We'll have bigger cash prizes. We can give more money away. Okay, let's go. I'll answer your questions on TikTok. If you come into YouTube right now, smash the like button. There we go. We've got 21 likes now. 9 more likes in 15 seconds. Here we go. The clock is slightly out. 4, 3, 2, 1. The markets are open. Whoa, look at that. Always get that little moment there. What's going to happen now? Come straight back. It always does. You get this massive inflection there, little reaction. It's the markets resetting. It's not actually a real thing. That didn't actually happen. Right. Up 5% today. Let's go watch it. 2,300. Are we going to hit $50,000 today? Are we going to hit $50,000 today? 22 likes now. Didn't quite get to 30. Let's see how everything is moving. Okay, the S&P 500 up 1.6. It's the lightning round. Ford is up 1.49. Just still out of the money very slightly. Virgin Galactic 3% now and moving upwards. Okay, looking good. Virgin Orbit is up 3.62. I'm out of it at the moment. I'm waiting for it to drop. Pop All Mine went green. There we go. Tesla is up 2.73. Let's go over now and check exactly our position. We're up 4.79, 48,567. Let's do a very, very quick, let's ask a poll. Ask the poll. Here we go. Start a poll. Will I hit 50,000 today? There you go. Will I hit 50,000 today? What do you think? We're going to get some profit taking. PPI, producer price index 0.2, softer inflation. That's what we need. It's all good news today, but markets will rally. People will take profits. It's never just a one-way street. 48,746. Let's go through the stocks. The S&P is still rising. Ford is still rising, up 1.85. Virgin Galactic at 3.46. It's the biggest part of my... In fact... It's the second biggest part of my portfolio, I think, right now. We've got the S&P at 18%. Virgin Galactic is at 11%. Or Tesla. Yeah, it's my second biggest part of my portfolio. Tesla, this is good for Tesla. The inflation figures is good for everybody, in fact. Rivian is up, just dropping back a bit. Lucid is up 3.36. Arrival is up 4%, up 6%. There you go. It's just a bit of a lottery ticket. This is a bit of a fake out. I think the company are going bust, but there you go. Let's see what happens. Amazon is up 5%. They will love this sort of thing. About to do some layoffs, I think, Amazon, and go the same way as Meta, and their price will surge. All right? They're about to make some price cuts. Apple. I'm finally making money for the very first time on Apple. I'm up 0.32 at $10. Okay. Very nice. First time ever. I'm making money on Apple. First time ever. Robinhood is up 3.24. Okay, McDonald's is down very slightly, still up 11%. Coca-Cola is up 1%. They'll like the inflation. J&J 0.27. I'm up 2.46. Google now. I am just about to make money for the first time on Google. $13 out of the money. Very, very close. Microsoft, I am making money. I'm up 1.94, 5.33 overall. Meta platforms. I'm making money on Facebook. I bought the dips, oversold company. I've been saying it and saying it and saying it and saying it until I'm bloody blue in the face. Best value stock on the stock market right now. At least it was when I bought it at 87. My average is 15115 because I didn't go all in at 87. I was already in and I was just buying the dip. So anyway, up 1.18. I like it. I think Meta Platforms is going to be $200 before you know it. A couple of more layoffs, slight reduction in Meta expenses, which they're going to announce at any moment. You wait and see. That'll be $200 a share the moment that happens. And I will be trimming some off because that'll be really, that'll take me to 12 grand. Anyway, just saying. SoFi today up 4.4%. I'm up 3% now. I bought some more. IonQ is doing very nicely. I am down. I've got an order place at $5. Don't think I'm going to get there, but there you go. Rushed up to 6. It's not there yet. Dexter Sickles, it's at 586. Looking good. Walmart has returned again, had a bit of a sell-off, a little bit of profit taking. Walmart's looking good. Target, they report tomorrow morning. They're going to look good because we all know now the PPI, which is the producer price index, 0.2 is softening. Inflation is softening. CPI came down. The bulls are starting to have a really big say in the stock market right now. Tesco, look at that, just down 0.49, not that much going on. Canoe is up 4.26. Tilray Brands up 2.54. Sorry, 2. It's changing too quick. 1.93, 2% again. Enphase Energy 2.71, and Bitcoin and the crypto sector with Bitcoin and Ethereum is up as well. There we go. So the question is, will I reach $50,000 today? 60% of you say yes. Good luck, everyone, says Ed Nivius. Rob Brennan, let's put the comments on the screen. What a healthy looking portfolio. And you own so many more shares now than a year ago. Perfectly positioned to hit 6 figures this year or next. I believe so. Just to put that into context of what Rob is saying. For me, it's all about digging the ditches in the desert, preparing for the rain when everybody else is saying it's never going to rain again. Keep building foundations, not worrying about the tinsel, not worrying about the roof. Keep lowering those averages, making my portfolio more and more and more secure. Not trying to make any money, simply investing. Not scalping at this point, not trading at this point, simply investing, looking for great companies that make money, that don't have debt, not in all cases, of course. I've got a lot of stocks that have debt, but forward thinking, proprietary, do something that nobody else does and are on sale. Basic fundamental principles, Warren Buffett and other long-term investors. So, well, all the craziness has been going on. I've been buying the dips. I've been buying companies that have been beaten up. Stocks that everybody says is rubbish. I've been buying them. Anyway, so I've been going down and down and down and down and down. Let's get some context. Look, year to date, I'm down and down and down. Look at it. Down 36%, $27,000. Down and down and down. But as Rob Brennan just pointed out, and this is the point, it's not about today, it's about the future. I don't need the money today, I will need it in the future. Just explain it. When I entered the market, I had this many shares. Hang on, I'll do it here. I had this many shares at this price. I was right at the top. Post-COVID, everybody bought in stimulus checks. I had this many shares at this price. Now, today, I have this many shares at this price. So as things start to recover, things are going to pick up extremely quickly. And as you know now, I am up in 4 days, 32%. I'm up 32% in 4 days. So you can see how very quickly this could go up. I have said by the end of this year, I could be at $100,000. That was always my target, the end of this year, $100,000. That actually is completely doable. Now that sounds absolutely ridiculous because in 1 month you're going to go up 100%. But hey, let's look at the evidence. Let's look at the evidence and discuss it. Tilray Brands, Any minute now, we're going to get legislation. This is going to be pushed through. Democrats are taking over the world, it seems. And Tilray brands are going to go to $40 a share. If that's the case, $4,000 turns into $40,000. There's my 100 grand right there. Now, even if it only goes to $8, there's another $4,000 towards my $100,000 target. Right there. Virgin Galactic. Let's talk about Virgin Galactic. All we got to do is the smallest amount of news. The smallest amount of news. The flights are ready to go. We're flying in January, and we are at $20 a share. That's $44,000 right there. That's another path to $100,000. That's another path taken care of without Tilray. Tesla is going to have the best earnings ever next quarter. Its profits, its margins beat any other car company out there tenfold. This is all popularity contest with Elon Musk right now and his scaring of Twitter and so on. It's a time to accumulate. The company, I'm no longer a fan of Elon Musk. I respect his innovation, but I don't respect him as a person anymore because he's lying and manipulation. I don't like that. So I'm out of that. But I am an investor in Tesla. This could double. And there's another $8,000 there. What else have we got? We've got Robinhood. Robinhood is a $15 stock. That could make some money. Google. There's probably a couple of grand in that in the near term by the end of the year. There's probably $1,000 in that, $500 in that by the end of the year. Meta, there's $6,000 there by the end of the year. So you can see what I'm saying. We don't need many things to do all right. SoFi, interest rates going up. They're making more money. Robinhood is a digital bank. They're making more money with interest rates going up. Walmart and Target all got sold off and beat up 6 months ago. They've got plenty of growth in them. Tesco's is going to double. In the next month, I'm sure. And there's $3,500 right there. Anyway, that's my outlook at what I'm looking at. You've got a lot of dynamite in your portfolio. Just need a spark, and the stock price will go boom. You're absolutely right, Rob. I think you're right. I will trim off the top though. I won't ever reach those numbers that I said because everybody else will be looking to sell at those numbers as well. So I'm not trying to beat anyone. I'll just be selling along the way. Anyway, Musk in court this week. Very interesting. Everybody, never concerned about stuff like that. Every CEO, every big company is always being sued. Everyone, every public company, every big entity is always being sued. They're in and out of courts all the time. That doesn't mean... if I was in and out of court all the time, then I'd be in some serious hot water. It would mean a lot. But companies like that are always in and out of court. You're getting carried away. Tesco will double. Yeah. You want to know why Tesco will double? There. Oh, beg your pardon. I meant $12. That's not quite double, is it? No, I didn't mean double. Sorry, I beg your pardon. I meant $12. Check CCL. You're getting carried away, 22. Tesco will double. No, I didn't mean it would double. I meant it would go up to $12. That's what I meant to say. I beg your pardon. I was just... that wasn't quite accurate. If it would have doubled, if I'd continued to buy the dip, but I stopped, even though I believe in it, it's the English Walmart, if you like. I didn't see any point in buying any more, only because of balance in my portfolio. But anyway, at the end of the day, it's going up to between $10 and $12 a share. I've got it at 8, so it's not quite double, but it's a good way towards it. Anyway, apologise for that inaccuracy. I'm not getting carried away. I knew exactly what I meant. I just wasn't looking at the screen when I said it. Check CCL and look how much it went up in 1 week. I will have a look at it for you. Virgin Galactic are getting sued by their shareholders over misleading statements on their earnings call a few quarters ago. Yeah, it's but water for ducks back. Yeah, it's all part of the course. It's a bank too. Tesco's a bank. Yes, it is a bank too. You're right. It's a bank too. Yeah, Tesco's a bank. You're absolutely right. That is very, very true. Anyway, now I've clarified my mistakes. Churchy is he wants Ford, now he wants CCL. I mean, this is the Churchy show, isn't it? CCL. Let me bring it up. Carnival. I wouldn't invest in Carnival right now. I've said it over and over again. I know it's up, but I'd rather my money somewhere else. Let's have a look at it, give it some perspective. Carnival, all kinds of bother. You know what this is now. Carnival got a lot of customers, and a lot of their diamond customers, their money customers, if you like. I call them money customers. Are shareholders, and they're totally married to the stock, totally married to the company, very loyal, and they're all buying in now because they're all cruising again. But then they're overlooking that the company has changed. The company is in so much debt, doubt it'll ever pay it off. The industry is changing. There'll be new players in the scene. I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. But at the end of the day, where would I rather put my money? I know Carnival is beaten up, but it's not the company it was. It's devalued. It's dissolved its shares. So don't think for a minute, oh, post-COVID or pre-COVID, it was here, $64, so it should be $64 again. No. It raised capital, it devalued its stocks, and it's never going up there again, right? I mean, like, if it went up there again, then I've completely read it all wrong, and I don't know the company at all. And bearing in mind, I worked on the company for 4 years. I've done all the cruise ships, all the fleet. I've done it all the carnivals. One of my close friends was the fleet captain, so I know the inside and outs of Carnival, and I don't ever see it going up there. Anyway, you make your judgment on that. It has a banking division without the bricks and mortar overheads. It's all online. You're talking, Rob, are you talking about Tesco's? Because that is the future of banks. That is absolutely the future of banks. It's why I invest in SoFi, and it's why I also invest in Robinhood, because Robinhood's a bit of a bank now. It's got a credit card. It's got a savings account. It's got Roth IRAs coming out. It's a bit of a bank as well. You know, I can put my money into Robinhood, and I can spend it. I can pay my bills with it. I can set up payments from my credit card on it, the Robinhood credit card. I can earn points on it. I can transfer. I can get cash out. I can earn interest. Robinhood is a bank too. Prison stocks are up big. Bloody Church. He's fascinated by his flipping prison stocks, isn't he? Anyway, let's have a little look where we are right now. How many people are in the show? Has everyone liked? No, not good enough. We haven't got 30 likes. We need 30 likes. Smash the like button, please, guys. Help me out. Bit of a quiet morning this morning. I don't know why. The stocks are doing great. So smash the like button. There you go. We need 30 likes in 40 seconds. Chicky, pow, pow. Said chicky, pow, pow. What the real Satoshi? Stand up, say please stand up. Smash the like. Okay, thank you for all the follows over there on TikTok. Oops, I'm just adjusting my seat today. It's a bit uncomfortable. Why is that? Why are some days chairs uncomfortable? I think I'm in now. I've resumed the position. Okay, let's clear the timer. Let's see what we're doing now. Church. Burry has 50% of his portfolio in prison stocks. Well, Simple gave me a credit card. I don't use it though, says Bill. Being an ex-Tesco manager, I have some retail insight. Rob McLean. It's all about retail today. We've got Walmart tomorrow. We've got Target. We're talking about Tesco's. Let me open up, should you wish to call in, I'm going to open up the green room. This is for all members. I'm opening up the green room now, the in-broadcast lounge. It's at the bottom of the Discord channel. If you want to call in, you can. It's open. So Rob Brennan, Rob McLean, if you wish to call in and talk about, or anybody else we should call in and have your say today on the show, we would very much appreciate it, very much welcome it. All right. So we're taking a bit of a sell-off this morning. That's expected. I am up like 30% now, somewhere in that region over the last 4 days. So obviously we're going to get some sell-offs. That's just part of the course. People taking profits, and I'm no exception at some point, just not yet. So there we go. I'm having a little look across the board where we're at. All right, I think it's time for a very, very quick commercial break. I will see you back in 10 seconds. Let me just refresh that. No, that's good. 10 seconds from now. Okay, we're back with you once again. And we're keeping our eye on a lot this morning. Let's go and see. We're having a bit of a sell-off. We took a nice little bounce this morning. Things don't go up and just stay up. There's up and down. Carnival Cruise Lines is selling off there. Everything is now doing the same. Virgin Galactic had a really nice bounce this morning. And now it's the next investors. Remember, the more people, as this stock goes up, more if it has all this buying and selling action, trading action, eventually you're going to get people. In fact, I lost my train of thought. I had an idea I wanted to share with you, and it's completely gone. So there you go. That was a live moment, wasn't it? That's called old age, I think, isn't it? I had an idea and it just went out the bloody window. Anyway, Tesla's trying to push up today, up 2.92. Let's bring the comments on the screen. 22 says, Burry, excuse me, is that Michael Burry, isn't it? That's 50% of his portfolio in prison stocks. Wow, that's something, isn't it? And Church's response to that was, oh, wow. All right, okay, quite a lot. I think you're about to say something goes up in a straight line. No, it wasn't that. It wasn't that. I can't think what it was. It's completely eluded me. Anyway, not to worry. It's gone. Never come back. I had probably the greatest idea in the history of the world. I was probably about to invent something that was more amazing than anything else, and it's gone. And that trillion, gazillion, bazillion dollar idea will never be seen again. Can you imagine it? I've no idea. Can't even think what it is. Anyway, Lucid up 1.84 today. Arrival. There are a couple of my stocks now I want to sell. There are a couple. There is RCM. Let me share with you my RCM. It's not something I'm interested in. It is up today 4.29. This is the one with the bad debt. Do you remember? It had a bit of bad debt and it sold off. I only have 10 shares. It's no big deal. I'm up 19%. I'm up $14.50. But I can't have thousands of stocks. I want to get rid of it. I can't concentrate on it. So I'm up 20%. I could sell it at that, or I could set myself a stop trail loss because I think it's going to go back up again. That debt will get resolved. This was all sold off. Can you see at the bottom of the screen there in the middle? Because of bad debt. So what I could do with this is set a stop trail loss on it. But it's so little money, just clear it away, put some money back in the bank. It's only $14, you can see. That is one I am looking to get rid of. What else are we looking to get rid of? Photronics, one of my chips suppliers. Chip suppliers, they supply me with chips. Chip stocks, that's what I meant. Photronics supply me with chips. Yeah, chips and fish and chips. Up 16%. Again, very, very nice indeed. Again, this is one of those where I think it's time to set a stop trail loss. See it? It's up. I don't want to just sell it willy-nilly, but I think I'm about to set a stop trail loss on that. It's up 16%. So what I'm thinking is something like 100% of the stocks to be sold, to be honest with you. And maybe a stop trail loss of something like 5%. So I'm up 16, so I know I'm going to be up 11% at the worst case scenario, and that can keep rising. I can just forget about it completely forget about it, and just let it do its thing. That's another one. So that's about to come in. That's about to be done. What else have we got? End-phase energy, no, I'm keeping that. Tilray, I'm keeping that. QQQ. Target, Walmart, no. IonQ is rallying. But no, I'm out of the money. So, yeah, there's a couple of stocks that I've recently bought at the bottom of my list that I might just take some profit, put it in the bank, improve my situation. I'm about there. In fact, I'm probably just about there right now. I might even go and do it in a minute, actually. And then I can just start to clean out my portfolio a little bit. Cristiano Ronaldo, NFT on Binance. Oh, my gosh. Now what's all that about? What's all that about? Let me put it on the screen. Cristiano Ronaldo NFT on Binance. Okay. Whoa, that's fantastic. DZG, what's fantastic? Come back to me. What's fantastic, DZG? I do it all the time. I think I do something to look up and then forget what I was going to look up for. Yeah. You were talking about as more people come into space and more volume, it will start moving around more and draw more investors as it gets traction and recognition. More investors, more volume. That's basically what I wanted to say. Fusion 301. I love it. I've literally got people like mind reading me. I don't need to speak, basically. Just put on the screen what I'm prepared to say and I'll just post it. I can just shut up then. I can just sit here, drink coffee, watch the TV. I can watch the channel myself. I don't have to do anything. That's basically what I was trying to get to. Yeah, you were talking about as more people come into space and more volume, it will start moving around more and draw more investors as it gets traction and recognition. More investors, more volume, more move up. That's essentially what I was trying to say. Yeah. Anyway, thanks Fusion 301. The more people trade, the more people stay in, hold, inflation gets better, prices go up. That's right. Essentially. I like it. I think that's funny. I actually think that's funny that everybody knew exactly what I wanted to say. Yeah, we know what you're trying to say. You haven't even got to say it. We just know what you're going to say. I think that's quite funny. Right, let me just improve the quality for my TikTokers. You're not watching a high definition broadcast, but you are now. Not that it makes that much different on my phone, but I do like to give you the best quality possible. All right, I'm a bit obsessed with that quality. Anyway, there we go. Let's go over to the main portfolio and share with you where we are at now. Right, so 48,000. The question was today, would I hit 50,000? 60% of you say yes. 60% of you, or 59% say yes. I actually don't think so now. I think the market will cool a little bit, only because I'm up 30% in 4 days. Stocks have rallied. There will be a cooling off period. 30% in 4 days is phenomenal. I'm very, very happy. People will take profits and reassess and not get carried away. I don't think there's any, until the Fed turn around and say, we are U-turning, and there's no evidence of U-turning. Pivoting, yes. Pivoting, yes. Next month I expect a rate hike, and I expect it 0.5%. That's a pivot. I don't expect a U-turn and bring down inflation. Bring down interest rates. They're still going to add. They're just going to lower the rate of the adding. A U-turn would be reducing it. That would rally. And so would. So if we get the Fed U-turn, it's not going to happen. That would put me to $70,000 within 20 minutes, half an hour, quite possibly. Virgin Galactic make an announcement they're flying tomorrow. That would do that. We've got the news coming from Tilray that it's passed, and then up we go to $40 a share. And another thing is, if the war was declared over, someone had taken out Putin, or he's been replaced, and they're retreating and they're leaving Ukraine. That would be a massive catalyst. So they're the things that we're waiting for. That's why we're investing. That's why we're in the stocks. That's why we're holding everything, because we know that's coming. We know all of that is coming. It might as well just happen. I don't know what we're waiting for. It might as well just happen. Why don't we just get it over and done with? Let's just announce it now, because we know it's coming, right? Let's read some of your comments. Let's read some of your comments. No need to watch. Yeah, no need to watch. The more people trading, yeah, no need to watch. ASML being on a big run last few months. Chip stocks back in action. You need to pay attention to the Fed speakers. Harker just said he's happy to pause rates so long as inflation is still coming down. Very, very good. That's what caused the little pump a minute ago. Hey, there we go. There we go. You need to pay attention. Well, what am I supposed to be doing? Watching another channel while I'm broadcasting this one? 22. What do you want me to do? Have another screen and I can sit here and watch the telly. That's what I need to be doing. Yeah, right, 22. IonQ pump. Let's have a little look. Quantum computers. Very, very exciting. Ooh, IonQ up 2.55. Right. We need to now, you know what's coming. You know what's coming. It's first of all a quick commercial break, and then we need to earn some money. Because I've had no super chats, no one getting involved, no one sending any love, no new members. This isn't good. My what do you call it? My credits at the end are going to be rubbish. All right, so here we go. Let's put out a quick commercial break for 10 seconds. If you don't get involved, I just run more ads. I do it every 5 seconds. Every 5 seconds. It's called the ad show. Here we go. Breaking news, Shad. Yeah, breaking news. Breaking news with a smile, right? Breaking news with a smile. I'm always smiling. I got criticised the other day. Why are you always smiling? All YouTubers are going, I'm losing all my money. Fire, death, doom, glue. I'm always smiling. And someone said to me, you're always smiling whether you're up, whether you're down. Well, why not? What else are you going to do? I mean, what's the point of being miserable all the bloody time? I don't know. Anyway, here we go. You got me off a commercial break, you naughty people. Here comes a commercial break, whether you like it or not. Okay, I'm back. You thought you could get away with it, didn't you? You thought you could get away with it. Well, you can't. I'm not having it. Right. We got day trader of the day coming up. 42. I might, as I'm making money, I might do another cash giveaway. Should I do another cash giveaway today? I need all my team to get everybody on TikTok in. I might do another cash giveaway. Celebrate. So, let's do it. I'm considering it. I haven't decided yet. I'm considering it, all right? I haven't made my mind up yet, so don't get too carried away. I can't keep giving money away all the time. What do you think this is? What do you think I'm doing here? Right, let's have a look. He wasn't, let's have a look. Good afternoon, Martin. Breaking news. Have an eye on newsfeed. Just watch stocks go up and down, not knowing why. Have an eye on a newsfeed rather than just watching stocks go up and down, not knowing why. Right. 22. If you buy me another screen, I got 14. I could have another screen with something else on it. Bloody hell, there's never good enough. It's never good enough, is it? 22 wants me to watch another screen, bring in more information. Bloody hell, what do you think I am? I've got more screens than than Bloomberg and Yahoo Finance combined, and I'm on my own here. Breaking news. Good afternoon, Martin. Stephen Schifflers. How are you? Schifflers. I keep getting it wrong. He's going to tell me off in a minute. 22. They will not pause at this point. They are not doing. They have not been doing as now for the first time working. Hang on. Church. Yes. He disagrees with Powell, who would rather overdo it and reduce if they go too far. 0.75 next month. I don't see it. He wasn't saying reduce rates. He was saying he's happy to pause. Powell wants a crash. Powell can bugger off. £3 a month for my daily smile prescription. Real estate market hasn't bottomed and neither has food, says Churchy. I'm in. Warning, warning, warning. Please don't manipulate stocks or spam the chat with buys. Please don't manipulate stocks or spam the chat with buys. Who's that? Oh, yeah. Troy Stewart. I've not worked out yet whether Troy Stewart is a bot or not. Yeah, more screens. Yeah. What is looking at your portfolio telling you? It doesn't tell you why things are happening. I've got you for that, 22. It's your job. It's your job, 22. Right? All right, sick 22. It's your job to send me information, not mine. Not mine. You can just add news ticker. You can just add a news ticker to your stock screen. I could get a news. I'm going to put that down. I can't believe I'm even thinking about this. News ticker. All right. News ticker. It's a good idea. I'll try and work that out. I'm supposed to do that. This is why we have you. Bring us the news. Bring us the news. No, you bring me the news. You give me the news, and I go on YouTube about it. Just get eyes in the back of your head, Mark. Amazon announces new virtual healthcare services to help with allergies, acne, and hair loss. Brilliant. Just scrolls along the bottom. Yeah, that's all right. Yeah. What, has anyone got a suggestion how I might do that? All these flipping ideas. Bloody hell, you start a YouTube channel. Right, okay. Enough of this flipping debacleness. I'm trying to do breaking news here, and everyone's flipping distracting me. I know why you're distracting me, because you don't want the breaking news. You don't want the breaking news videos. You think, we don't want that. We're not interested in that. Well, too bloody bad you're getting it. Whether you like it or whether you don't. Right. So anyway. Okay. So here it comes. Here it comes. All right. Breaking news, Martyn Lucas Investor this morning. PPI, Producer Price Index, came in at 0.2%. Softer inflation, the markets love it. As you can see, I'm up 5.33% today. And I've done a poll in my chat right now asking my viewers, will I get to $50,000 today? And we're at 57% say yes. I actually don't think so. I'm up 30% in the last 4 days. I actually think there's going to be some profit taking. Even though we're rallying, things are looking good. And Shad has just come into the chat and said, that's old news. Well, it's old news to some people. It's new news to some other people, right? If you've just tuned in, smash the like button. Let me know that you are here. Join us on a live show. This is the link to our live shows, and we are live up to 10 hours a day. If you ring the bell, you'll be notified. And I'm thinking on today's show, I might even do another cash giveaway. Every time I do well, I just like giving people money. I don't know why. It's a bad trait of mine. I should stop doing it. My wife don't like it. She says, keep your money, reinvest it, stop giving it away. But I quite like doing it. So you never know. Anyway, see you back here on a live show. The markets are up today. PPI down. We're now talking about inflation softening. Will the CPI rate come down next month? We will see. All right, I'm predicting a 0.5. Most of our traders, I believe, one of our members, Church of Logic, says no, it'll be another 0.75. What do you think? Let's put your comments below, and I'll reply to everyone's comments, and let's see what we get most of. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. All right, let's do a quick thumbnail. All right, okay. All right, that's that one there. Passenger complaints about refunds from airlines surged early in the pandemic. Breaking news from the Church of Logic. Oh, yeah. Let's go through and have a quick look at what else we've got to talk about. The S&P 500, Carnival Cruise Lines. Okay, let's do a Carnival. Let's do a CCL. Let's do a... no, I'm not going to do a CCL because no one's looking for it. That's a bit of a waste of time. Space. Virgin Galactic. All right. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investors. Rates today, the PPI, which is the Producer Price Index, 0.2, softened on inflation. Home markets love it. Virgin Galactic is up today 2%. I'm now up 12.95%. I will tell you, I've now got 2,100 shares of Virgin Galactic. More good news, there are rumours that the flights scheduled for next year could be brought forward. This is looking very, very promising. Let me just scroll up very quickly and look at the volume today on Virgin Galactic. The average volume is 6.51. Today it is 1%. So we don't have huge volume still. The stock isn't getting that much attention at the moment. However, it's up. People are buying in, but in small numbers. As soon as we come round to January and February, maybe even in December, get an announcement about flights next year, this is $10 a stock overnight. Inflation looks like it's peaked. Has the market bottomed? No one knows. We'll know in 6 months. But Virgin Galactic looking very promising. I will tell you right now that I will be trimming some off when it gets to 10%, to $10. Not because I don't believe in the stock, not because I don't believe it's going to $100. It's irresponsible for it to become too big of my portfolio. I like a balanced portfolio. No matter how much I love a stock, it has to stay trimmed. It's like having your hair cut. You don't walk around with your hair hanging out. Not that's an issue for me. Anyway, smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Ring the bell. We go live up to 10 hours a day. In fact, we're live right now. If anyone gave me a super chat, it'd appear on the screen. But no one's doing that. Very miserable people today in my show. They're making lots of money, but they're not sharing it. They're not sharing it. They're not like me. I'm always giving my money away. Until next time, click up here for the full playlist of Virgin Galactic, and you'll see why I think Virgin Galactic is going to go $100 a share. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. All right. There you go. Okay, there it is. There it is. Hi, Martin. Can I have a VIP? Martin. Hi, Martin. Can I have a VIP? Can I have a VIP? What's that? Someone over there on Twitch has just asked for a VIP. Well, here's the deal. You're over on Twitch. If you subscribe to me for free using Amazon Prime, in fact, anyone can do that. I forgot to mention today, we've only got one person in my Twitch stream right now. You can help me. The more money I make, the more subscribers I get. And remember, it's free using Amazon Prime. I give away that money every first Friday of the month as a cash giveaway. All right, I give away the money I make in subscribers. There is my Twitch. Keep it open as a separate tab. It helps us promote our channel on YouTube. So go subscribe to me for free using Amazon Prime. All right. Anyway, I think that's what you mean. I'm only here for the positivity. Yes, always. There's was it Cramerica? Kramer says there's always a bull market somewhere. There is. That's a very true statement, even though most of what he says is rubbish. In my opinion. What do I know? I'm all for positive vibes, but over-optimism can be damaging. Church, it's why I'm not buying anything. I hope I never buy anything again. I have gone all in and some to reach my goals. I hope I don't buy anything again. I hope I never reach my all-time lows. I actually hope for that. Anyway, let's have a little look at anything else that's breaking today. Tesla is up today. What about Rivian, Lucid? Lucid's okay. Nothing major there. Arrival. We'll talk about Arrival because I get a lot of questions on Arrival, and I rank for Arrival as well. Another one I rank for some godly known reason, but I do. Let's have a quick look at Arrival. What do you think? What does everyone think on Arrival? Any opinions on Arrival? So let's quickly cover this. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Arrival's been up now the last few days. We were down at sort of $30, 30 cents a share, or 38 cents a share, I think it was. And I regard this as a lottery ticket. I do believe that the company are going bust. Remember, I think it's 75% in the last 10 years of the companies that are on the Fortune 500 no longer exist. We've not yet experienced investing in a company that's gone bust. It's only a matter of time. And it doesn't matter how good the stock is, how much you believe in it. The end of the day, Arrival, I've got so much debt. Interest rates are going up, even though the markets are starting to recover. Remember, the markets are 6 months ahead of the economy. So the economy is still bad, but the markets are starting to rally. So stock prices are going up. People are getting bullish. So maybe we've hit the bottom. Who knows? I won't know. Nobody else will either until 6 months from now when they look back and go, that was the bottom. No one can tell you when the bottom's coming. So Arrival is starting to go up a little bit. Not because it's doing anything great. It's not. Simple thing is, people are buying into nearly everything right now. People are getting a bit bullish and excited, and particularly penny stocks look really cheap. It's not about the price, it's the value. It doesn't. You could buy one stock at $1 million. It might have more value than 1,000 shares at 1 cent. It's not about the price. It's about where the stock's going and not where it came from. Just because the stock was up doesn't mean it's going to go there again. They're running out of money. I see it as a lottery ticket. I love what they're doing, but what we really hope for, to be honest, best outcome is to be bought out. Bought out with some new money that doesn't have any debt, that can take over the company and continue the journey. Pretty sad for the people that started it out, but that's just business. That's how it goes. That would be good for me as a shareholder. I've only got a very small position of it. I'll share with you what I've got. I've only got 322. I sold it a while ago. I bought it on a dip. I'm still down 16%. I'm holding it like 322 lottery tickets. That's all. And we'll see what happens. What do you think? Are you an investor in Arrival? Are you just scalping it? Do you think it's going to go bust? Leave your comments below. I will reply to everyone's comments. And as always, please smash the like button. That's it. If you click up here, that will take you to my full Arrival playlist, which includes the Arrival earnings and other information around Arrival. Take care of yourselves and each other. Okay. Do you like how I do all this? What do you think of all this? You rank for it because you're the only person talking about it. That's right. Here's a little top tip. If you are a YouTuber and you want to be successful, all right? Mark Cuban, a billionaire, said to me once when I did a gig in his house, I played in his house. He said, Martin, be the very best of yourself and you'll always succeed because no one else can be you. And that's it. If you start a YouTube channel on Bitcoin, you'll never succeed. Statistically, if you start a YouTube channel on Bitcoin, you'll never succeed. Statistically, because you won't rank for anything and it'll be very, very hard for you to grow an audience. Very, very hard. Virtually impossible, actually. What you want to do, however, is start to build a community by talking about something that nobody else is talking about. So you rank for it. And once you start ranking for it, you're going to gain subscribers, you're going to gain viewers, and then you start getting credibility on YouTube. In other words, when YouTube has a request for a question on Arrival, they suggest me. Because people have watched, they've liked it, so be quality, do a quality stream. And audio is more important than video, way more. You can have a rubbish camera, but have good audio. And if they watch and like, then YouTube will go, hey, we'll suggest this again to somebody else, and you'll grow an audience. So the way to get started on YouTube is, like in business, be the best at something that nobody else is doing and focus on that, and then you can expand to all the other things around that topic, like the earnings and then everything else. And then eventually you rank for everything to do with finance or everything to do with the stock market. But you have to start by ranking for something. Anyway, that is I don't know why I told you that. You'd not come here to learn how to build a YouTube channel, but there you go. You got a free tip there. Everyone's going, I don't care about that. I didn't come for that. Right, okay. Apple. Let's talk about Apple very quickly. Apple. Let me read some of the comments. None of these ideas ever went sour. He also knows when to pull out of bad business. None of his ideas. You got valuable advice there. I like Mark Cuban. You got valuable advice there. None of his ideas ever went sour. He also knows when to pull out of a bad business. That's right. I played in his house. Was that a glitch in the Matrix or did you repeat yourself? It's a glitch in the Matrix. I've no idea what you're talking about. Bill, is that church, little shadow nose Cleveland show? What's going on here? Anyway. Here we go. Let's talk about Apple. Apple stocks. My name is Martyn Lucas, the investor here on YouTube. Apple, I've made money for the very first time today on Apple. It's overvalued, but it's a great company with a great future, but it is a very expensive stock. However, I've been buying the dips and just adding every time it went down. This is not a company you want to chase. You want to own it, you want to have it, but it will keep going up, and over time it will. It pays a reasonable dividend as well, but for this one, no, it is overvalued. Everyone loves to own Apple, so it is very expensive. So what I do is every time it goes to an all-time low, and each time I set another low, I buy some more. The position in my portfolio, you can see right now, very first time I've been in the green. Look, I'm up 0.52, which is 20 bucks. I'm holding it. I get a reasonable dividend on it. It's not great. It's not a Rio Tinto or anything like that. But I like to own it. It's stable in my portfolio. There is some downside to Apple though. Next year, I'm expecting perhaps a sell-off. Am I going to sell it? No. I'm going to continue to own it and buy the dip when it goes down. That's kind of what I'm doing right now. I'm looking to buy great companies, and when they go on sale, I buy more. But I'm not looking to sell anything right now. I don't feel that this is the right time to sell. Apple, are you an investor in Apple? What do you think? Is it overpriced? It's a bit like a Tesla, or at least it was before Tesla crashed because of Elon Musk's tweets. What do you think with Apple? Are you an investor? Leave your comments below, and I'd love your thoughts. If you smash the like button, you might win some money. No, I'm joking. Nothing happens if you smash the like button. Other than it shares this video to more people, so I hope you'll smash the like button. It's just a nice thing to do. We like when people do nice things. Anyway, if you click up here, right by my subscriber badge, there you go. You can go to our live playlist, and we're live 10 hours a day here, and we go live all the time, helping to support people and invest and trade live. Join us on another live show. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. All right, let's get that in the bag. Okay. What else is going on right now? Apple. Robinhood. Robinhood, this is important. Robinhood has got a surge. This is good because it could have been brought down by FTX. Delta gets closer to Labour. Oh, Apple stocks. And not breaking news, something different. Oh, Apple stocks and not breaking news, something different. Something different? What do you mean by that? Robinhood. We need to look at Robinhood today because we need to talk about Sam Bankman-Fried. This is very, very important. Let's bring this in here. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Let's talk about Robinhood right now. Robinhood now is the brokerage that I use. It's not only a way to invest, it's also a digital bank. I like this stock, a bit like SoFi. Digital bank, it offers a credit card now. It offers money back. You can earn a very high interest rate, way more than any bank's offering you. I love Robinhood, but let's talk about one important elephant in the room. How close was it to doing a deal with Sam Bankman-Fried? Very, very close indeed. If Sam Bankman-Fried had bought into Robinhood like he nearly bought into Twitter with Elon Musk, where would we be today? I don't know. You can only predict. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And while you're there, smash the like button. Robinhood, for me, is a great investment for the future. It's oversold, it's now making money, and with interest rates going up, it's going to make more money. I should know. I'm an investor on Robinhood, and I know how much money they make out of me. So Robinhood is a good investment. This is a $30 stock in 2 years' time. So it's a long-term investment. I like it. What do you think? Are you a holder of Robinhood? Do you see Robinhood having global domination? I do believe that they're going to come to Europe next year. That's been promised, that's been promised for a while, but I do believe it's coming. Robinhood are actually 1 quarter ahead of their expectations to make profit. And with interest rates continually going up, and I do see next CPI rate Sorry, I beg your pardon. Next rate hike actually being added, another 0.5%. So I think there's more money to be made with Robinhood. People now starting to think that we are entering a bull market. So retail investors are going to start coming back and using margin and borrowing money and getting in the stock market. So Robinhood can only go up from here. It survived the Sam Bankman-Fried attack, or could have been, and it's still here and going up. So I'm very happy to hold it. I have got orders placed down at $9 a share should we get a flash crash, but I've added to my position. It makes up 2.67% of my portfolio. I do believe that this is a good investment. I do believe it's going to be up 3x in the next maybe 2-3 years, maybe before that, especially if the retail investor jumps on it with the markets going up. It could accelerate very quickly. Anyway, let me know your thoughts. Till next time, click up here for my full Robinhood playlist if you want more Robinhood information. See you next time. Take care of yourselves and each other. Okay. You usually start your videos breaking news, but this time you didn't. Don't worry about it. Over your head. Oh, see, back to breaking news. Oh, I see. Yeah, I messed it up. The reason why I do breaking news is it's a word that I rank for in the description of the videos. So all this stuff, stuff goes on behind the scenes. You've got no idea. You've got no idea what's going on. It's like, oh my gosh. Day trader of the day. Robinhood is rallying big time now. Look at that. McDonald's down today. Nothing exciting. Coca-Cola flat. J&J flat. Google. IonQ is nearly up 4%. Yeah, look at that. I'm up 16% now. I would have loved to have bought some more. It didn't allow me in. I was ready to buy at $5. It didn't allow me in, but it doesn't matter. This is a very, 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 very cheap stock. This is quantum computing. This is the future of computing, and they've done a deal with Dell. This stock, I don't even know where this stock could go. I mean, I'm not going to make a number up and just guess it, but it's certainly a lot more than 6. So my market value, of this stock at 822 is ready for a huge bounce. So I'm not concerned at all about not owning any more right now. So let's carry on where we were. Be careful with phrases like breaking news, because if it isn't, people will see you as a clickbait creator and won't come back. No, I understand that. I don't do any clickbait whatsoever. 22, I don't do any clickbait whatsoever. I'm always smiling up or down. I'm always optimistic. There's never any lies or manipulation in my titles. My thumbnails are never dramatic. They're just me presenting the stock. No, I don't do any clickbait. I don't feel so. If you feel I do, please let me know and I'll address it. But I don't think I do. Right. Let's have a quick look. We are now at 48,980. We are just about to hit 49,000. 60% of you saying now we'll hit 50,000. We are very close. I don't think we'll do it. I normally make a prediction on these sort of things, but I don't believe we will. If we do, I'd be surprised to be up 31% in 4 days. That would surprise me. I know my portfolio is strong, but I don't expect it to be up that quick. I have to be honest, and I'm not preparing for that anyway. Let's do a very quick one here. Oh, RCM. I've got to sell in a minute. I've got to sell some of this stuff. RCM, stuff that I'm not focused on. There we go. We've hit $49,000, guys. Look at this. Now the portfolio is really taking on a life of its own. We are now, I don't know, I've lost count now, 31% up in 4 days, something like that. That's really getting quite serious now. I don't think we've ever touched 50 grand. I don't think we've ever been there. So what do you think? You think we're going to get there? 22, yes. I take your point. The thing is, I know why you do most of these things, just like some banter. The thing is, I get it. I know why you do most of these things. I just like some banter. The thing is, I'm live so many hours a day, I don't get chance to make videos. I have to make them during the shows. So I'm bringing you the information, but in a slightly polished way that I can put out as a video. If I was live 10 hours a day, as I am, I would never get the chance to make any videos at all. The channel would collapse. All right. Anyway, we've got day trader of the day. I want to share this with people because I believe this is an important story right now as well. So let's talk about this. Okay. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Google up again today, 2.79. Now, I believe in high-tech stocks because I believe that high-tech stocks, Google, Microsoft, Meta, these stocks are the stocks that have the most growth. And these stocks have been the most oversold because they make money from companies advertising, investing. And right now, at least for the last year, it's been down dramatically. People are cutting back. People aren't spending money. So these stocks have been sold off over and over again. So for me, these are companies that you want to own. Google, if you look at the PE ratio, these are good value stocks right now, or at least they were. They're getting a little bit more expensive now because for the very first time, in fact, if I go to it and share my position with you, I'm just about to make money for the very first time on Google. I've had a small position and now I've gone in. This is a big position for me. It's 5.32% of my portfolio. But remember, when we enter a downturn on the markets, the high-risk stocks get sold off first. Not saying that Google is a high risk, but it is risky when companies aren't spending money. So this gets sold off first. Meta got sold off. Microsoft got sold off. Tesla got sold off. Virgin Galactic. They're the stocks that are going to return first and drive my portfolio up. Now that to me is the very emphasis of what investing is. Buy great companies when they're sold off, when nobody else wants them. Warren Buffett once said, buy when everybody else is selling. This is my position on Virgin Galactic. What do you think? Smash the like button if you approve this message. There you go. Sound like a politician, right? I approve my own message. Smash the like button. Leave your comments below. If you want to join us here for a live show, click there and you'll be here on a live show with us. We go live up to 10 hours a day. Google, I bought more and we're just moments away now from it making money. I'm out of the pocket. Sounds good. I'm out of the pocket by $30, but I reckon I'll be there in the next 5 minutes. And what do you think? Is Google a good buy? I'm certainly going to buy more if it dips below my all-time low. And otherwise, I'm not buying any more. I'm fully in and I'm enjoying the growth. Google, leave me your thoughts below. Take care of yourselves and each other. There you go. Okay, Google. I am all green today, 100% of my portfolio. Never mind just me. Anyone else broadcast cut? No, just you, Churchy. Just you. Just you. All right, we've got some IonQ we've got to look at. Meta. Now, this is so important because I get so much flack for buying this. Weird, isn't it? How people get aggressive online when you're buying something that everybody else hates. Isn't that weird? Very weird. Anyway, let's talk about it because I don't know why this happens. Anyway, breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Meta up 2.74 today. It's up today because the whole market is starting to turn very, very bullish. We've had CPI rates come down. We've had a softening today of inflation. We've had Walmart do very well. We've got Target in the morning as well. And we've got the producer price index, PPI, 0.2, softening on inflation. People projecting now that potentially the Fed are going to U-turn. They're not going to U-turn. They might, however, pivot to 0.5%. I still predict and I still believe that that interest rates are going to go up. They're going to add a U-turn is where interest rates come down. They are going to go up, but they're going to go up by a lesser amount. I predict 0.5%. This is all good. It's great for the banks. It's great for my SoFi. It's great for Robinhood. A lot of companies are benefiting from the interest rates going up. So you need to have both parts of your portfolio. Now, we're talking about Meta right now. Now, Meta, all they have to do is fire a few more people. Sounds bloody awful, really, doesn't it? But at the end of the day, if you're an investor, that's what you need. You need your company to be more efficient. Fire a few more people, which they will do, and up goes the stock again, as it did a few days ago, and it's continued to climb. And all we got to do, and we're expecting it any moment. If you look at the tweets and the sentiment around Mark Zuckerberg, I think at any moment, he knows this stock has been driven down. He knows that investors are waiting. He is going to make an announcement. I'm going to predict this, that they're spending a little bit less on the metaverse, that they've achieved what they need to achieve. They're moving forward. And then this stock is $200 a share. I bought it at $87. I am only up 1.76. But let's get some context to that. I was down 85%. I had a few $100 of Meta, down 85%. I started buying it down, so I bought another share every time, a few more shares every time it dropped, and my lowest was 87. I've got another order placed now. I think my next order placed is 87. Yes, I've got another order placed here. So my last one was 88. I apologize. 87. So I'll only buy it if it goes to my all-time low. But Meta, I think, is the best value stock on the stock market. Buy when everybody else is selling, as long as you believe in it, understanding it, and the company makes money. All they've got to do is pivot in the smallest possible way, and up goes the stock price to 200. If it does, I will trim off the top, and we'll see what happens. I'll probably then just leave in my profit, so I'm basically investing the house's money, if you like, if you want to use a gambling term, which this isn't. So what do you think? Smash the like button. Join us on a live show. Click up here for the live shows. We go live 10 hours a day. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I will respond to everyone's comments, and I'd love to know, are you simply investing, or are you simply selling out because you don't like Mark Zuckerberg? Do you think the stock market is a popularity contest, or is it a place to buy great companies that are on sale? For me, it's that. It's not about whether you like Mark Zuckerberg or not. People have described him as an idiot. This is the guy who created Facebook. Not an idiot. What have you done? That's what I ask. So anyway, let me know your thoughts below, and I would love to reply to all your comments. Between now and then, take care of yourselves and each other. All right. Okay. Meta. Sack more people. They already sacked 11,000. They're going to fire some more people. I am green today. Let's have a look at the portfolio, folks. We're now at 49,085, up 5.96%. We are rallying. It's getting a bit. The heights are getting a bit scary now, if I'm honest with you. SoFi is rallying as well. SoFi is rallying. IonQ. Walmart. So much to talk about. Target. Tesco's. Canoe. It's, wow. We are entering a really, as I say, I actually like, it's painful, but I like the red days. The red days are when I go to work. I've not experienced growth like this. This is new to me, and it's scary to me, because stocks rallying like this, day in and day out, is a bit scary, because we're getting very high up now. The higher up you go, the more you can fall. Meta bought at 96, 150 shares. Very, very nice. Average 117. Very nice indeed. What was my average? My average, I think 115. Yeah, 115. Very close to you. Yeah, I think it's a great investment. If you feel uncomfortable, why don't you trim a bit? Yeah, I am. I absolutely am going to trim. No question, 100%. Going to trim. I just haven't got round to it. But yes, I do think now we're over, not overbuying, but we're getting carried away. we're getting carried away. You can just feel it. There's a bit of FOMO coming in here. I don't know if anybody else can sort of pick that up on the markets. It just feels a bit like, maybe it's because I've never had any money, and I'm like, whoa, nearly $50,000. You know, I don't know. Maybe it's just me being cautious. Maybe thinking, maybe trim off the top. Anyway, so I don't know. What's everybody else feel like? Everybody else feel like this is going to run forever? I don't think so. Bearing in mind, though, we've had nearly a year of being down. You know, maybe it can run forever, or at least, you know, good rallies can sometimes last a month. You know, can. And if the news keeps coming in good, always good to get a bit of perspective. If someone offered you this scenario 2 weeks ago, you'd bite their hand off. Yeah, absolutely right. You're absolutely right there. So let's talk about this. Tilray Brands here on Martyn Lucas Investor, rallying again today, up 5.77. My overall position now is we are looking at 27%, over $1,000 up. Very, very good for a stock that originally I wasn't even interested in. I'm still not interested in cannabis. I don't smoke tobacco, and I wouldn't smoke cannabis or anything else like that. But I do like making money. I do think this is a $40 stock, though. So I am holding it. Maybe I should trim, but this is so cheap for the stock that I know that legislation is around the corner. And when it does come, it's going to pop to $10 in seconds. So what do you think? Tilray Brand, smash the like button if you're an investor of this stock, and smash the like button if you wish you were an investor of this stock, or smash the like button just because you want to help the channel grow. I just made sure I covered all the bases there. Subscribe, ring the bell, let us know you're here. Leave your comment below and I'll reply back to every comment I get. I love replying to your comments, and I still do reply personally to every single comment. Where do you think Tilray Brands is going? My price target is $40. What do you think? Do you think it's a $40 price? Am I overestimating that? I don't know. It's been a lot higher. It's got legs, and when legislation gets passed, there's no reason why not. It's got a good balance sheet. It's got good position in the market. It's ready to go. It's already done in business fully in the Canada, Germany, parts of Europe, and the US is just around the corner. When that happens, I think it's a $40 a share stock. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Anyway, must go. I'm on a live show right now. I want to get back to my investors because we're about to do Day Trader of the Day. Join us here for a live show, and you too could be part of it. We have cash prize giveaways every Friday. Looking forward to this Friday. Might be a record cash giveaway. I love giving away what I make. The more you get, the more I give away. That's kind of how it works. Anyway, take care of yourselves and each other. All right, let's do that. There you go. If you like the channel, smash the like. If you don't like the channel, smash the like. That's what I should say, Shad. Just smash the like. Just do it anyway. Regardless. Hoping it'll get to 40. Got 250 shares of Tilray with an average of 388, said Sid. 388. Where is Tilray right now? Tilray. I just had it on the screen. Where is it? What's my average? 345. Yeah, very good, Sid. Very good. Right, we've just come off the piste a little bit. Let's have a little look. I'll share with you where we are. Right, no more breaking news is up to Tilray, so I know how far to go through. Okay, let's do Day Trader of the Day. That's a very nice average, Martin. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for doing the dishes. Thank you very much. Thank you very, very, very much. That was a commercial, wasn't it? Thank you very much for doing the dishes. Thank you very, 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 very much. It was a Christmas advert for roses, wasn't it? Anybody remember that? Thank you very much. Thank you for doing the dishes. Thank you very much. Wasn't it? And what's the other one? When smash, get smash. I like that one. Do you remember those little tin men with the clangers? I don't know. They weren't the clangers, were they? What were they? What were the little robots? The smash robots. Anyway, what's your favourite commercial? I like that one. I like the little robots from Smash. Anyway, I remember that. Oh dear. Okay, name the brand. Name the brand. If hands that do dishes can be soft as your face, it's mild green. Put the word in. You got to put the word in. If hands that do dishes can be soft as your face, it's mild green. What sort of show's this turned into? We're making money now. It's just turned into a sing-along show. Yay! Rob McLean's right. 22, you're wrong. It's fairy liquid, not just fairy. If hands that do dishes can be soft as your face, it's mild green, fairy liquid. A Mars a day helps you. All right, finish the line. A Mars a day helps you. I feel like we're Blue Peter in it. We're Blue Peter, that kids show. I'm going to come out with some sticky back plastic in a minute and start making things. And you can all do it. You can all follow along at home with me making stuff. It's not the money so much as I come here for the friends and family feeling better than sitting at home staring at the wall. Yes, work, rest and play. There he is. Rob McLean is right. A Mars a day helps you work, rest and play. That's right. It's not as good as fairy, is it? Fairy's much better. Hands that do dishes. Much better. Right. Okay. We've got day trader of the day to do. So let's bring everybody up to date. If you go below the video, you'll see the live button. Make sure you pressed it. And you are live. I'll be right back in 10 seconds from now. Quick commercial break. Let's pay the bills. Here we go. See you back in 10 seconds. Don't go away. Okay. What's the advery? What's the advery? What does that mean? What does that mean? That's not even English. What is the advery? What does that mean? Right. Oh, by the way, you may notice when somebody buys something from my shop, right? It now appears in the merchandise channel. Look, over here on Discord. So somebody bought a black mug yesterday and someone bought the anniversary mug, which I thought wasn't on sale. It wasn't supposed to be on sale, but it's on sale again. I don't know how that happened. Honestly, it was a limited edition, but somehow it's available again. So someone's grabbed one. Anyway, the point is, the reason why I'm telling you is because we sold 2 items yesterday, everyone seemed to get excited. I have extended my 10% discount. So if you want a pair of socks for Christmas, or a t-shirt, or a fleece, or a hat, or a mug, or a glass, something with my logo on it, okay, I am extending the 10% discount today. There it is in the chat, Gold 10. Gold 10. If you use that, you can get a 10% discount. I've extended it for another day. All right, so if you click on the showcase at the top for my shop, you can go and have a little look around the store. Get yourself something for Christmas. Got a rainbow right across from my house. Might run over and see if there's a pot of gold at the end of it. Rob, let me give you some financial advice. There ain't. Don't bother. You're better off here. Look out the window, take a picture of it, enjoy it. But don't run down the road chasing a pot of gold, mate. It ain't there. I'm just saying, this channel gives proper advice, and that ain't you need good advice right now. Okay. Shad, what's the advert? Red car and blue car. Oh yeah, I know that one. Red car and blue car at a race. Oh yeah. Oh, hang on. Red car and blue car. At a race, all red wants to stuff his face. He eats nothing. He sees the trucks, the prickly trees. He's good, old blue. He took the... Yeah, I know what it is. It's the... Bandit. No, not Bandit. It's a little blue... does anyone know? Shad. Who's going to get it right? Oh no! What was it? Oh no! Oh no! Big Red. That's right. Oh Rona. Oh, he eats anything he sees from trucks and prickly trees. Oh no! Red's eating too much food or something like that. Oh my gosh! What is the name of that one? Martyn, do you have any advice for young people as to whether to invest or spend money on travel? I'm in my 20s. Rob Brennan, I didn't realise you were so young. Rob Brennan, I had no idea you were in your 20s. That's incredible. I'm like blown away. Milky Way, that's it, Milky Way. Rob Brennan, oh my gosh, I had no idea with the amount of money that you were investing in the stock market. I'm not being funny. I thought you were in your 50s, 60s. Honestly, wow. Bloody hell. You were in your 20s and you went all in on Virgin Galactic the way you did. I thought you were a gazillionaire in your well, I'm blown away. Rob Brennan, I want to answer your question. As the world piano man, I toured 195 countries, which is virtually everywhere, all across Africa, all across Russia, the whole world, right? Contested, there's 197 countries. It keeps changing. So I've been everywhere. And I think people always say travel broadens the mind. And you've got to travel. Because if you don't travel, you've missed out. I don't agree. It's what's right for you and how you feel at the time. There's no magic pill. There's no magic sauce. What I did 20 years ago, I can barely remember. All the places I've been, luckily I didn't pay to go anywhere. I was paid to go all those places, so that was good. I've got a lot of fridge magnets and a lot of photographs in my phone, but it doesn't make me a better person. You don't have to go anywhere. You can live in your back bedroom all your life if you want. You don't have to do anything. You do what's right for you. What it does do, however, is it shapes who you are today. So by me seeing the world and seeing how people are and seeing what poor really is and seeing all the different angles, most of it I've forgotten. But it's in my DNA now. It's in my makeup. It makes me who I am. Whether that's good or bad, you can decide. But it shapes you. Doesn't necessarily shape you for the good, but it shapes you. Experiences shape you. If you come from England, the chances are you play football. If you come from the US, the chances are you'll play American football. If you come from India, the chances are you'll be a Muslim. If you come from England, the chances are you'll be a Christian. That's just because of experiences shape who you are. That's proof right there. It's not that one idea is better than the other. Experience is good, doesn't always make you better, but I'm glad I've been around the world. But I often think, what the hell was the point? All that time and barely remember any of it. But there you go. Virgin Orbit lining up for a buy, by the way. So, should you travel or invest? I think that was your question. Do you have any advice for young people as to whether to invest or enjoy and spend your money? I would do both, and I would do it like this, Rob. I never pay to go anywhere. There are ways you can backpack around the world, especially if you're in your 20s, for free and earn money wherever you go. If I wanted to spend the next year traveling the world, I would do it for free. I would do it for free. I would earn some money somewhere. That would pay for my ticket. And I would go there and I would earn money for free. And I'd be quite happy in my 20s, and I have, in youth hostels, sleeping on the beach. I've done that. I wouldn't do it now. Now I get a bad back and I want a nice bed. Because now I'm all posh. I want a nice luxury bed now. But back in the day, I would have done it for free and got paid to do it. Find a way to earn money to pay for you to go around the world. So at the same time as you're traveling, you're investing. So you can do both. You don't have to spend money to go around the world. Looks beautiful. Probably pull a hamstring anyway. Yeah, Rob. Stuff his face. Milky Way. Oh no, the bridge is gone. Red just can't carry on. That was it. That was it. Oh no, the bridge is gone. Red just can't carry on. But good old Blue, he took the Milky Way. There it is. Oh, there it is. Oh, anyway, when's the last time you've been in for a psych evaluation? Project Freedom. This is Market Profit, I think. When's the last time you've been in for a psychic valuation? What are you saying that for? I'm 25. I stole it. Investing, we got time. Rob, I'd say travel a bit. It'll give you skills that will be very useful later in life. Silver Spoon says, Bill, I wish I spent money on travel more than I did worrying about my future. Of course, Vorb is red. That's why I'm waiting to buy it. It's what it does. Vorb always does it. Traveling helped me grow as a person and meet great people. That's priceless. Walmart is up 8%. Let me go back to Walmart then, bring it up. Yes, look at that. I have 2 kids under 5, so it's hard to travel at this stage, to be honest. Maybe I can travel with them when they're a bit older. Yes, you can. Depends who you are and what you seek in life. The missus, you know what? Always, and another thing, Rob, say yes to everything. I say yes to everything. I say yes to everything. Very few things I say no to. I trust everyone, 100%, until they lie to me. I'm always optimistic. I always see the positive in anything. Don't be worried about sleeping on a bed, or in a hostel, or sleeping on the beach. Don't be afraid of anything. I've been in the middle of gangs in Africa. I've been surrounded by violent people. And I've always managed to make a joke, because you know what? No matter how evil and horrible people are, if you smile and make a joke, you somehow get yourself out of it. So don't be afraid to go anywhere and do anything. Always say yes. And you know what? We all die at some point. Stuff goes wrong at some point. Don't let that stop you from living. Everybody dies. Not everybody lives. Live. You've got nothing to fear. Nothing to worry about. Live until you die. Don't be afraid of anything, because there really is nothing to be afraid of. Just get out there, smile, be fun, love life until you can't love it anymore. The missus cycled 300 miles in India. I was shocked at the things she told me, what she'd seen. She came back a different woman in a good way. There you go. Where I came from, we never thought we would make it out of our communities. There you go, church. Look at that. Fighting talk. I love it. I think my firm offers year-long secondments in Canada, Australia, etc. But it's difficult as I have young kids. I understand it's difficult. I've travelled later in life to see some beautiful places. When I was younger, I volunteered in Africa and it was amazing. But you've got to balance it with family time. Great advice, Martin. I read it back 5 minutes later and I'm thinking, what was great advice? I've got no idea what I said. Same here, Martin. I talked people out of hurting me and robbing me. Yep, you got me. You got to have the bravery and character. I'm loving this topic. It really helps me. Good. If it really helps me, give me a $500 super chat. There you go. Crack on. Hey, Churchy, if you give me a $500 super chat, I'll spend it on Ford. How about that? Be the one who makes the stories, not the one who tells them. There you go. Everybody lives, and eventually we all have to die. It's fact. So long as you have the nostrils. What does that mean? Everyone lives, and eventually we all have to die. It's fact. So long as you have the nostrils. I have no idea what that means. That's a special Church of Logic, a special Queen of Self-Braiding comment there. I have no idea. She's baffled me beyond words. I ain't got a clue what she's saying. Does anybody know what she's saying? Have the nostrils. Anyway, I'm done. I'm done. I've shared wisdom. I think that's very good value for money. I've received no super chat at all. None. 0. I've had no subscribers on TikTok this morning. None. It's been a rubbish day. It's been an absolute rubbish day. So I'm going to go, and I've got lots of videos to put out where hopefully I'll make some money. You got to laugh, ain't you? Right, subscribers, we're now up to 5,455. On TikTok, we're just, is it 100 away now from 30,000? Very, very good. I used a super chat, but I'm poor at them. I know. I can't believe, Rob. I can't believe. I'm blown away. Is everybody else blown away by Rob Brennan? We've just found out for the first time he's mid-20s and he invested like he was Warren Buffett or something. I thought he was a millionaire, and he supported our channel. He funded our Kickstarter. The guy gave so much. He gave so many memberships away. Supported so many people. Can anyone believe it? I never would have thought Rob Brennan was in his mid-20s. Queen of Soul Braiding, it means if you have a nose facing down, I am blown away. It means if you have a nose facing down, you have to die. I'm not sure I get it. But I never get the jokes. I never get them. People always say, Marty never gets the jokes. Don't even bother. Anyway, my generation is very given, despite what you hear on the news. I'm 28. Some people will never believe it either. Oh, yeah. Now, I actually thought you were older than that as well. 28. I thought you were older than 28, Churchy. To be honest. Yeah, definitely. Right. I think it's time to end the show. Day trader of the day. I'm not even going to do another commercial break. You've had enough commercial breaks. You've been punished enough. All right. I think it's only fair. So let's do up 4.51%. I am mistaken for 30s. I shouldn't ask then. How old are you then? It's an African phrase. My mother said the phrase. Oh, that's why. I'm 66 years old. Who's the oldest person on the channel? I'm 53. So how old are you then, Queen? I mean, you just put it out there, so I might as well just be rude and say, how old are you? Because you just said I'm mistaken for 30s. I'm the same age as Martin, give or take. There we go. Rob McLean's like me, look. We're the boys, aren't we, Rob? Me and Rob are the boys. If you're 50, if you're in your 50s, right, between 50 and 55, you're one of the boys. If you're younger than, if you're below 50 or you're older, like Mike, you're not in our club. Sorry, Mike, you're not in our club, right? If you're one of the boys, you're around my age. I'm going to start a little club, right? It's called the Boys, right? Mike, too old, bugger off. Mike's too old for the boys. In fact, my best mate in America is 83 years of age, George. He's one of the boys. So actually, I'll let you in, Mike. I'm going to let you in. Mike, because one of my mates, George, he's 83 and he's one of the boys. All right, come on then, put your score on the door. Bloody hell, yeah, bloody hell's right. He's thinking, I like the channel, I watch Twitch, I'm a member, I'm a subscriber, I share everything. I'm going for the top fan of the year, and I'm not even one of the boys. Right, I am 51. Ian Jackson's one of the boys. I am in my 40s. You're one of the girls. You're one of the girls. You're one of the girls, not one of the boys. You never ask later how old you are. You say how young are you? I know that, but you turned around and offered it. You put it on a plate. There we go. I'm up 3.1%, still green, 100% portfolio, Google, Tesla, Meta. There you go, all the great stocks. There you go, all the great stocks. Up 2.68. I'm up 4.51. Do you know what? I might actually win. I might actually win today. Let me have a look. 1.3, 2. I'm actually going to win. So not only have I won finally. Oh my gosh, I finally won. I'm up today. I'm up 35% in 4 days. Right? Yeah. Oh, Dexter Sickles came in at 4.19. Yeah, I'm the winner. Get in. I haven't won for months. I haven't won for months. All right. 2.95. Who's too late? Who's too late? 4.19. That's all right. He's still behind me. Doesn't matter. Right. Thank you very much. Thank you for my honest trade, Martin. You're very, very welcome. It's verified. Everyone can see it. So you can't make it up, can you really? You can't make this stuff up. I know it's gone down 3.68, but it was up a minute ago. When I posted it, it was 4.51. So I'm still going to take it, right? Anyway, that still beats you anyway. What's up? You're very, very welcome. I can't get rid of the thank you. Hang on, I've broken it again. Rob, I've broken it. There you go. Get rid of that. And I want the sound effects. Aha, loads of TikToks telling us that their age. It's a load of... Over on TikTok, is everyone telling us their age? I love it. Fantastic. I've got TikTok exploded. TikTok, look at all my tickety-tockers. They're all telling us their age. Join us on YouTube. Yeah, you need to join us on YouTube. What is going on? What is going on? You need to be on YouTube. I keep telling people, listen here, folks. If you come on YouTube, I have cash giveaways every Friday. And some days, I give away cash giveaways live in my show just for the fun of it. When we make money, we give it away. We share it. It's what we do, right? If you want to be in my cash prize giveaways, and I might do one right now, but I'm not doing one right now because I'm going to finish the show, right? Come into youtube.com/@ Martyn Lucas Investor. Same name as this channel. Yet Russell says, oh, nice. Yes, I do it all the time. I give away money. We're trying to grow the best YouTube, TikTok, Twitch channels in the world. I'm here to help people. I never sell you anything. I never message you. Please be aware. Lots of scammers on our Discord. Lots of scammers on TikTok. Lots of people on YouTube pretending to be me. They add a dot or they change one letter. It's not me. I never message you. Never sell you anything. I'm always live. I'm always giving away money. I want nothing from you. Russell says, count me in. We've got a guy on TikTok, folks, who says, count me in. Shall we give Russell on TikTok the best YouTube welcome in the history of the world? Shall we do something really nice? There's a person watching on TikTok right now. If I can get him to come into YouTube, I want everyone to copy and paste, hello Russell. I'll put it on the screen and we'll make him famous. Right, Russell, this is up to you right now. If you want to get famous right now on YouTube, and you want to make lots of friends with real traders, real investors, really lovely people, right? It's youtube.com/@ Martyn Lucas Investor. It's the same name as this channel, or come out of the live show, links in the profile. Very, very easy. All right, Russell, everyone's giving you the link. Everyone's telling you what to do. And we're gonna make you famous on YouTube. Only if you come into youtube.com/@ Martyn Lucas Investor. Okay. William says, oh yeah, it's going to be huge as I'm seeing. Done going there now. Great. We're trying to become the best YouTube, Twitch and TikTok channel. A guy called William Crypto just said, oh yeah, it's going to be huge as I'm seeing. We're gaining about 300-400 followers a day on TikTok. And, I love to help my TikTokers. I think Russell's coming over now. We're going to make him famous. If you're watching me on TikTok right now and you want to grow your portfolio, the very best thing you can do is make friends and engage with someone who's really growing a channel quickly on TikTok. That's me. And who's prepared to work for you and help you. That's me. How do I do it? What I do is this. Very, very simple. If you click the little star that appears up here, you'll see it any second now. There it is. There's the star. Look, see the star? Click on that and you subscribe to my channel on TikTok. At the end of this video, in just a couple of minutes from now, because I'm about to end once we've made Russell famous, I will put your channel on my screen behind me, on my TV screen. And what I will do is I will make a video for you, edit it, post it on my channel, tag you in it, and share it to my entire 30,000 followers, inviting them to all follow your channel. And they do it. It works very, very well. I love doing it for people. I follow you back and engage with you. And I only do that for my subscribers. That way, I don't just follow for follow. I only follow my members on YouTube and my subscribers on TikTok, and I work for you. I'm in the studio 10 hours a day. So if you want that, go and do it. Right, I've got to go over to YouTube right now. I don't know if Russell joined me. Project Freedom 56. What does that mean? Project Freedom. What does 56 mean? January the 15th, 66. I have no idea what that means. Does anybody know what that means? Martyn von Steelen has just appeared from... Are you from TikTok? Let's have a look. Who's come over? Hi, loads of TikTok there. Let's have a quick look. Martyn von... How old is he? Well, yeah, is he one of the boys? Is he between 50 and 55? If he is, he's one of the boys. Join Russ, great family here. I am from Palm Lake. Right. We've not got Russell over yet. Rob Brennan, sort it out. Right. They are from there he is. Right. Let's make Martyn von Steelen from TikTok and Russell Ashwin famous on YouTube. They're on the screen right now. Shall we tell them all about it? Right. I want everyone to copy and paste in the chat, hello Martyn and hello Russell. Right. Now, Russell and Martyn, I just want to tell you what we're doing here, right? What we're doing here, why we're so crazy. What we're doing here is we're trying to grow the best YouTube, TikTok, and Twitch channels in the world. Better than Mr. Beast, the most honest, real, genuine channel in the world. To do that, I need to tell you what we're doing here and how I can help you. Because I have learned the more you help people, the better it is for you. Don't concern yourself with you, just help people and it always works out, right? That's what I've done my entire life. That's what this channel is all about. Right, so I'm going to tell you, first of all, my name is Martyn Lucas. That's my real name, obviously. Some people don't use their real name. This is my TV studio. I've tried to build the best YouTube live studio on YouTube. All these cameras move. There's dry ice, special effects, smoke. Everything is happening live. Let me give you a wave. Hello, there you go. Okay, and we go live 10 hours a day. Up to 10 hours a day. If I was trying to make money, all I would ever do is make videos and I would go live 20 minutes, half an hour. I go live 10 hours a day because I want to build a community. I want the best community on YouTube. And you will notice in the chat, 95% of our live viewers are members. They are members because they support this channel. The members are what paid for the channel because I wouldn't be able to do it without the members because I don't make all the videos. I'm going live all the time, right? And in return, the membership plan we built wasn't to make me rich. It was to benefit all of you, right? And 95% of our live viewers are members. Mr. Beast has an average of 8 to 9% live viewers are actual members. We have 95%. It's the highest engagement rate on YouTube in the world. No one's got anything like it, right? So we invite you to join, and the membership is to benefit you, not me. Right? I will put your channel on the homepage of my YouTube channel and ask everyone to subscribe to it. Look, there's my members. I do it all the time. There's my sponsors. People that sponsor my channel, I do commercials for them, right? We haven't done any recently because they've not been on the show, but whenever they come on, I do it. This is my real shares, my real money. I started from $5,000 and you can see I'm about to hit $50,000. Live, this is all my money. I've got no more money anywhere else. I share my bank account with everyone. I tell everybody what I've got, and everyone sees me live every day. The investors and traders that we have in the chat are from all over the world, and they share with you all their investments and trades as well. They call in live to the show. They video call in. They phone call in. You can do that if you're a member as well. You can also have a birthday celebrated. As the World Piano Man, I will do a song for you for a $10 super chat if you are a member of our channel. And the reason why I charge $10 is because I get copyright on the video and I lose the money I make on the video, which at the moment is between $4 and $5. I'm a small channel, but I'm growing very quickly. So that's what I do there. And people pay me to do that, between $500 and $1,000 to make them videos and songs. You get it for free as a member. You can also access Discord. You can also be in our free cash prize draws we do every single Friday. I am here to help people. And the more we support each other, the more we grow. Here is our Discord channel. It's free to be on it, but if you are a member, we'll upgrade you and give you all the perks and benefits. There is the Discord channel. If you want to be in another free prize draw, it's free. You subscribe using Amazon Prime Gaming on Twitch. There's my Twitch channel. I'm live on Twitch right now at the same time. I give away all my subscription money back to you in a free prize draw. If you want to be in our draw every single Friday, we do it live on the show. If you've got a Forex channel, Russell, and you want to promote it, if you are a silver member, you will have your own. You can have your own channel on my Discord server, and you can tell everybody about your Forex trading. Because I know you want to build a community. You can do that within our community. And the bigger we grow, the more people you might make friends with, the more people that would follow your Forex, you might make some money. We offer that service to our silver members. We're trying to become the best, not the biggest, the best. If you want to receive our weekly newsletter, which is free, here's the email. Here's the link to the weekly newsletter. And every Sunday, 8 a.m. Central, 9 a.m. Eastern, 2 p.m. GMT, I send out a newsletter with all my tips, what I'm doing. We have sponsors who sponsor the newsletter as well, so you can promote your business. And in there, it tells you which video to watch to be in our draw for next Friday. Comes out every Sunday. If you click on that link, it will bring you to here. You will see this here, the all links page. If you are a member, I will follow your social media and help you grow, and I work for you 10 hours a day. There is the newsletter. Put your email in there. Once you've done it, you'll need to verify your email because it's a secure server. Here is the newsletter link. Sorry, here is the email you're searching for, thedaytrader@martynlucas.com. I'm giving it to you to search for in your junk folder because it will always go in your junk folder because it contains the words cash prize draw. Scroll down the links button. You've got all my social media. If you're a member, I will follow you back on all social media. These are all my free stocks that I give away. I've got referrals from different companies, and I even share with you what I get as well. All right? Okay, there you go. And also, as a member, I will reply to all your comments. You can have a poll in the show. You can even ask me to make a video on a stock to promote it, to tell the world all about your favorite stock. And very often, I'll buy shares in it if I like it, and that will promote the stock as well. One thing I'm trying to do is buy all the shares of Virgin Galactic. I know there are millions or billions or whatever it is, but I have a plan to do it. It's a bit of fun. I know I'm sure I'll never get there, but I worked for Richard Branson years ago on the Virgin Experiences. I'm the world piano man, and I'm currently writing a song and recording a song to promote Virgin Galactic as I want to sing it on the rocket when I fly on it. And the money I make from the video, if you watch it and share it, I am actually spending all that money on the shares of Virgin Galactic. So the plan is to buy all the shares of Virgin Galactic and hold them. All right, there you go. I hope I've explained everything to you guys. You've joined us right at the end of the show. We're about to go. We've been online since 7 o'clock. In fact, 6:30 this morning. Nearly 5 hours. So we're going to get off now. But thank you very much indeed. I hope you've enjoyed it. I'll see you back for the closing bell this afternoon. We're always live at the same time every day. If you go to the homepage of the YouTube channel, in your time zone will be the upcoming live streams every morning, opening and closing bells, after hours earnings, pre-market earnings. And if you like what you've seen today, and you might want to check out my music channel, there it is. This is where I sing, and you can check this out as well. This is my Martyn Lucas music channel. And if you want to check out my music at the end of the show, you can. Or you can have a live request during the show or a birthday if that is your thing. Here is the link for my channel, should you wish to subscribe to me. All right, there's my music channel. And I think that we're done. It's been a great day today. I've got some videos to put out that we made from the show. Did everybody welcome Russell and our other guest in? Did you welcome Russell in? And where is the other guy gone? Russell and Martin von Steelen. Let me read some of the comments. Yes, you did. Greeting from Scotland, says Rob McLean. Here are some of the members. If you want to call into the show, you can via Discord. And I'm going to share with you a couple of the people that are here today. So here are some of our traders. Here's Rob McLean, he called in.
The best that you can have today is to join the Martyn Lucas show. Make yourself some money and have fun with a great group of friends at the same time. Go for it.
Russell said, I love the energy. Let's do it. Yep. Okay then, mate. Sign up for the newsletter. Become a member of our channel. Let me give you the membership then. It's only a couple of bucks a month for the basic level. The most popular actually is the bronze, the cheapest one. But we have a lot of gold and silver members as well. If you are a YouTuber and you want to promote your channel and you want a 20-minute fundraiser, the silver is the best value. In fact, the best value is gold, because if you're gold, you get 2 hours Zoom calls with me a month where you can talk one-on-one with me. I can help you grow your channel, talk to you directly about building a studio, promoting your channel, whatever it is. Anyway, that was Rob McLean. What about Kurt Wookert, who's a big deal in crypto?
I'm Kurt Wookert Jr., and I am blessed to have been on The Day Trader. Please subscribe, watch everything. Martyn is being really, really honest with you guys.
I have to first say that, your show is amazing. Everyone needs to check out Martyn Lucas, The Day Trader. Amazing guy, very honest, very open, packed with loads of information.
Hello, my name is Sam Hughes, and I pretend to be Sir Elton John for a living. Now, if you want music, if you want the stocks.
Welcome to The Day Traders. This show is an awesome show.
Okay, I was sleeping one day back on August 18th, and I woke up to Martyn singing a song. He advertised that he would do birthdays. My sister's birthday was going to be on that Friday.
There you go. They're just some of the members, and you too can be on the show. You can call in via video, or you can call in by just a phone call. I'm definitely watching your next live. Fantastic. Sir, you are the finest Twitch has to offer. Wow, what a lovely, lovely comment that is. So, Twitch, you're over on Twitch. If you subscribe to me for free using Amazon Prime, you will be, I've only got 10 subscribers. If you subscribe to me for free using Amazon Prime, you will be in my free every first Friday of the month draw. I give away the money I make in subscribers. I give it back to you. And if you subscribe to me using Amazon Prime, it is absolutely free using the Amazon Prime Gaming. I've put the Twitch in the chat. If all my other members and people watching me right now keep on YouTube, but if you could open another tab and run Twitch in the background, the more money I earn, the more I give away in those giveaways. It costs you absolutely nothing. Please focus on YouTube, but if you can open another tab, I'm trying to get 75 live viewers on Twitch. It's only one right now at this precise moment, as I want to become partner with Twitch. And if I get 75 live, then I can get more money. I can give away more money. There we go, up to 2 now. Some of you are jumping in. So there you go. Keep that open as a separate tab. The credit card balance collectively rose more than 15% from the same period in 2021. Breaking news here from Churchy, just coming in. Screw it, let's do it. Yes, indeed. Rooftop Reality has just subscribed to me. Rooftop Reality. There you go. That looks like a business to me, a roofer. Maybe they want to sponsor my channel. There you go. Best value for a sponsor on YouTube, I'd imagine. I'm on about 20 platforms at the same time going live. My audience is massive, and you can be a sponsor for 99 bucks a month, and we can put commercials on our channel for you. The increase stems from a combination of robust consumer demand and higher prices, a Fed official said. Yes, screw it, let's do it, says Shad. Yeah, if everyone watches that music video when it comes out and shares it, if it gets $1 million views, I'll spend $1 million on Virgin Galactic shares. That's the deal. That's what I'm going to do. So you can make the stock go up if you want. It's up to you. All you got to do is watch a video and share it. Right, I think we're done. We're up today 4.5%, $2,144. We are going up again, it seems. Let me have a look at the end of the... Yeah, look, it's going back up again. So that's nice. Looking good. Thank you very much indeed. So I think we'll get off. I need to go and have something to eat. I'm pretty hungry now. Been going nearly 5 hours, I think. Right, any questions? We've done Day Trader of the Day. I think we've covered everything. We never got our guests to become members. I was going to give them a big surprise if they did. Anyway, let me give the invitation to join. See if they do it at some point. You never know. You never know. There's the invitation to join. All right. Okay. I think we're done. I think we're going to get off now. S&P 500 is going up. Carnival, looking at for Churchy. Virgin Galactic, up 1.29. Virgin Orbit, dip but back up again. Tesla, Boulder Bing Bada Boom, says Bill. Tesla is really recovering now. Tilray Brands is pumping again. Rivian, Lucid, Arrival. Again, as the morning goes on. Apple, Robinhood, McDonald's, Coca-Cola, J&J, Google, very close to making money. Microsoft, I am making money. Meta, I'm making money. Bada bing, bada boom. Oh, that's what you meant to say. Yeah, I got it. SoFi, doing well. IonQ, very well today. Would like to some more. Sean Hussey, great job. Interesting for newbies. For those of you that are new, in fact, I just thought of this. My full principles and my full thoughts on trading are on a playlist. My entire thought processes are on this playlist here. Investing on the stock market. This is my full playlist. If you watch this through, each video is 5 minutes. How do I invest? How to invest? What is a stock? What is a dividend? What is growth? What is a portfolio? All this is a playlist. I'm going to give it to you right now. If you love the channel and want to help us grow, just let it run through. It helps the channel grow, gets more people to watch it. There's the playlist. I'm going to end the stream right now, so I'm going to leave you with the playlist. There it is, 3 times in the chat. Let it run through. Maybe over the next couple of hours before we come back for the closing bell, all the new people might want to go through and watch my series. There's a series here, 40 little videos, all 3, 4, most 3.5, 4 minutes long, all covering different subjects of investing, cover everything from margin trading to investment trading, or stocks trading, crypto, whatever. And there's the playlist. Go and watch it through. Leave a comment under each video, and I will answer your question on that subject. I will personally reply to your comment, answer any questions that you might have, and that's how I got from 5,000 to 48,000 live on the show with those principles, with those ideas. What's the playlist? Right, I'm going to go. Someone say play the credits. I'm going to get out of here. We're done. Fantastic. Someone say roll the credits. I'm going to get out of here. Thank you very much for being here. We'll see you back for the closing bell. Let me read some questions out. Sakara says, hello, can you help me? I'm from Fiji Island. Yes, I just gave you the link of the playlist to watch for all the tips of what I do. And then, of course, we've got the cash prize giveaway. I give away money, some shows, but every single Friday on the show. So on Friday, I'll be giving away free money. So you're very welcome to enter. It's free to enter. And also, from time to time, I give away free money in these shows as well. Right, roll the credits. Let's get out of here. All right, who took part in today's show? Subscribers, King Mia, Russell Ashwin, and Rooftop Reality. Only a few. We had a lot more subscribers than that. It only shows the ones that share their public subscriptions. Those who hide it doesn't show. We didn't get any super chats today, so I can't celebrate that. But there you go. But thank you ever so much, everybody that took part in today's show. That's it from me. I've given you the playlist to watch if you want to watch it. Even if you've already watched it, click play all, let it run through, and it helps the channel grow and gets the message out to more people. Right, that's it from me. Thank you very much for being here. I'll see you back on the closing bell, and let's see if the market continue to rally. Nice to meet all these new people. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other.